In this video, I want to talk about the Excel data model, creating relationships between Excel tables, and also converting your pivot table to cube functions. To get us started, I've created a calendar from January 1 to 2018 to 2019 April. Then use Excel functions to get the year for a date serial number. Then I copy this down. Use the function weeknum to get the week number in Excel, so for this date serial. Then use a combination of and day function to convert my date serial to a day, that is for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday as shown. Then I'll click here, then use DDD to convert it to that date. Then I'll copy that downwards. From this dataset, the date column is related to the date column on my product sales, and on my staff list I have the seller and the sex. The seller is associated with column called seller on the product sales. Now, next step is to add my data to the data model. Using Power Pivot, if you've not activated already, you can go to File, Add-ins, and activate the Power Pivot add-in in Excel 2016 and 2019. For Excel 2013 and 2010, you'll need to install it. So you go to the Microsoft.com website and download the Power Pivot Excel add-in. Under Power Pivot, you'll see the menu Add to Data Model. You can also start from the Data tab, click Manage Data Model. First, because we need to add the data to data model, go to Power Pivot, Add to Data Model. It will select your data. Make sure that you have headers activated, then you click OK. Do the same for staff list and for calendar. Once you're done, when you either go to data to manage your data model or use Power Pivot to manage, it will take you to the Power Pivot for Excel environment where you'll see your model data. By default, Excel data for a data model is not visible. So what you need to know is it's hidden behind Power Pivot. Time to create our relationships. You can either create from Excel or change this to diagram view so that you can see a view of all the tables. Now to do that, you drag date all the way to date here, then drag also the seller to the seller here. Then you close Excel. You can also alternatively add this or create your pivot table right from Power Pivot, but I want us to create this from Excel. So add a new sheet, then go to Insert Pivot Table. Then you realize that you are now using this workbook's data model. You are not adding as by default the way you'd be adding for one data source. So use this data model, then click OK. Then you'll see all the three sheets or tables: calendar, you'll see gender, and you see this should have been the staff list, then product sales. To create the first report, I would want a report of seller like that, and I want product sales, so I can pick sales here. So you've technically created a report from two different sheets. You can also create a different report that fetches the days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and total sales. So you can see Friday. So Mondays has been the best performing date in our sales data. Once you are done, you can convert this data to cube functions by going to All App Tools, which is activated when you build a data model. So convert to functions, and it will convert that to cube function. Convert these two to cube functions by clicking Convert to Formulas. Thanks for watching.